Hello everyone, in today's videos we are going to solve this factorial problem. 9 factorial divided by 7 factorial times 3 factorial is equal to x factorial times y factorial, and we have to find the value of the x as well as the value of the y. Now let us solve this. Before moving to the next step, we must know that n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 up to 3, 2 and 1. Now we use this factorial property. We get 9 factorial. 9 factorial can be written as 9 times 9 minus 1 times 9 minus 2 factorial divided by 7 factorial times 3 factorial is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now we have 9 times 9 minus 1, it become 8 times 9 minus 2, it becomes 7 factorial divided by 7 factorial times 3 factorial is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now here is 7 factorial in the numerator and here is 7 factorial in the denominator. We can cancel out 7 factorial. Now here are remaining is 9 times 8 divided by 3 factorial is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now we have 9 times 8, it become 72 divided by 3 factorial. When we open it, it become 3 times 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 2 factorial is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now we have 72 divided by 3 times 3 minus 1, it become 2, and 3 minus 2, it become 1 factorial is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now we have 72 divided by 3 times 2 times 1 factorial is 1 is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now we have 72 divided by 3 times 2 times 1, it becomes 6 is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now we can cancel out 72 by 6. We know that 6 times 1 it becomes 6 and 6 times 2 it becomes 12. Thus it becomes 12 is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now our next step is to break down 12. We can write it as 12 as 2 times 6. 2 times 6 it become 12 is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now our right hand side is in the factorial form. Now we can convert our left hand side also in the factorial form. Now 2 can be written as 2 factorial because 2 is equal to 2 factorial times 6 can be written as 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now our next step is 2 factorial times 3 times 2 times 1, it is equal to 3 factorial is equal to x factorial times y factorial. Now here are two cases. First case is case first when we compare 2 factorial is equal to x factorial and 3 factorial is equal to y factorial. Now we can compare 2 factorial with x factorial and 3 factorial with y factorial. Then in this case we can compare 2 is equal to x and 3 is equal to y. Sorry, here is y. Now case second is when 2 factorial is equal to y factorial and 3 factorial is equal to x factorial. Now in this case we have 2 is equal to y and 3 is equal to x. Thus, in both the case, the value of x is equal to, when x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, then value of y is equal to 2. Thus, the value of the x and y is either 2 or either 3, which is the required value of the y. If you're new here, make sure that you to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.